Right now, let me show you how you can stop notes from popping up in the corner on your Mac. So as you can see, I'm using the Mac normally. I'm on the desktop, and if I go to the bottom right corner, you can see there's a little note which always shows up in there, right? And I can click on it and expand it and write some more stuff in here. But if I want to disable it, I have to go to the settings app like this, and I want to make sure that I just go directly to desktop and a dock in here. At the bottom of this menu entirely, you can see we can find a little button which says hot corners. And this essentially gives us the ability to give additional features to each corner of your screen, right? So you can choose that in the top left corner, we have the mission control like I do. In the top right, I have something else. And in the bottom right, I have the quick note, which as you can see always shows up. So you can click on it like this and choose something else to show up when you swipe or move your mouse quickly to one of the corners. So you can choose, as I say, anything else, but it's okay to leave it blank as well. And if you leave it blank like this and hit it done, whenever I go to the bottom right corner, really nothing happens and the notes are not showing up anymore. So that's what we wanted to achieve. I hope that I was able to help you out and guide you through it. For more tutorials and videos like this one, stay tuned by subscribing, and I'll see you later.